Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Cryptos Are Life. This is Adrian, and we are going to be looking at an overall recap of the market. We are currently sitting at a $456 billion overall market cap, about a $50 billion loss seemingly overnight. And everything that you can see, we are seeing a big sea of red today. Pretty much just about everything is down. Not a lot, but we got some double-digit losses here that are down for the day. Some more than others, and just overall big day of correction. Pretty much needed. Again, we don't want to shoot up too fast, too quick. We want slow, steady growth. I mean, I wouldn't mind some moonshots overnight, but realistically speaking and long-term speaking, it's just part of the game, man. And a lot of new investors come in and they just think it's a one-way street all the way up, up, up. And when they start seeing how it actually is, get discouraged, cause sell-offs. I mean, it's just how it goes. And these down days, you got to use them as your opportunities to get deals on coins that you believe are solid projects, and buy the dips, man. And I mean, I'm gonna be looking at the market overall overnight, probably through tomorrow. There's still no telling how much lower we can see our alts go. So I mean, I'm for one, I'm going to be keeping a close eye on Tron. We're at about 4.5 cents right now, the $2.8 billion market cap. Let's take a look at this here. I've seemed to find we're still ranked 15th, so that hasn't changed, just as everything has gone down. So it's still maintained its position on CoinMarketCap. But I'm going to be keeping a close eye on Tron. I've seemed to see 4 cents being a good floor for Tron. So I'm going to definitely keep my eye on it. If I can watch it maybe dip into the high threes, mid threes, I'm definitely going to buy a whole shitload more. Because I just believe it's such a good project, and it's not like if just Tron is down. I mean, everything is, and I'm looking at this as an opportunity, keeping my eye on it. I might start putting in some buy orders, maybe at the 4 cent range, maybe just a bit below that, and see if I can't get some of those filled up. I do believe the overall market might start turning around in the beginning of March, and we've been saying that. A lot of people have been anticipating late February, early March is when we can really expect a good bull run. That's when everything should start picking back up, as from the traditional yearly past charts start to show bullish. It also has a lot to do with the Lunar New Year, everybody getting back into the markets and getting their investments back up and going there. So I'm going to be keeping a close eye on Tron. I do believe 4 cents is a good floor, but again, we don't know how low this dip can run. Not just on Tron, but on the overall market. So as we see our major coins, Ethereum, Bitcoin, if they start taking a turn for the worst, then I'm definitely going to look to see about definitely picking up Tron in the 3.5 cent range. I mean, hopefully not the 3 cent. Well, hopefully so. The 3 cent range is to pick up more. It's like bittersweet. I like to see it dip, just to pick some more up, but at the same time, I just want to see this bad boy run. So let's take a look at the chart on Tron here. So we're right here, 4.5 cents. Like I said, I'd probably be looking to break this level of support here, pick some up in the 3.5 cent. Probably pick up like half the cash that I want to use. Maybe pick it up at 3.5 cent range, and you save the other half for either up or down. So if it hits the 3 cent range, I'll definitely pick it up. And if it starts heading back up towards the 4 cents, I'll probably still pick up some more just under the 4 cents to load my position up. Again, I'm trying to load up as much as I possibly can before March. I do believe March is going to be a big month for Tron, March, April, and May for that matter. And not only for Tron, but for the market. But I think Tron, as the market recovers and it's launching its main net coming in March, I believe can see some serious price action. I'm looking for 12 to 15 cents by April, and even more so after that. So I'm keeping a close eye on this. I'll let you guys know if I pick any up and what prices I pick it up at. But I mean, there's a lot of good projects on hot deals right now, man. Let's get back over here and take a look at some of the ones that I want to be picking up here as well. I'm gonna keep my eye on everything really. and see which way things are going. I mean, if we are going to dip, I hope it dips good and makes it worth it. We got Substratum here at 53 cents. That's just an absolute steal. This huge project, $121 million market cap. At 53 cents, it's huge still. I believe by the end of the year, if they deliver on what they're promising, this could easily be a $20 to $30 token or coin, and I think that can show some significant gains. Another one that I'm going to be watching overnight here is going to be Funfair. I believe that also has a lot of potential to down a bit and at a significant rate. It typically has been trading. Let's go ahead and look at the 7-day. It's consolidated pretty well, the 6-7 cent range, and we are starting to see our dip here. So I do believe even for a short-term hodl, picking some up, if it dips a bit lower, I'd like to see it closer down to the 4 cent range and the 5 cent range, and you could be looking at a 20-30% return on your investment short term, just as the markets recovers, and so do the alts. Let's go ahead and take a look here, and I will pick out one more that I am definitely going to be watching. I believe is already at a good deal, but keep an eye on it. It may dip a little more. Pick some more of that up, and that is going to be Icon. I am a big believer also in Icon, and here we are. Under $4, man. Icon is also a really solid project. We've seen this one up to $13 early January, and I believe this could also, once the markets start recovering and once we start getting an alt party going on, I do believe we can easily start getting into the $6, $7, $8, $9 range red again. Here's back when we were seeing the almost the $13 right there. It's peaked again here about $9, and it's been consolidating down in the $5, $6 range. So the dip here, I'd like to still see if I could see it fall a little more. I'm watching it closely. I might pick a bag up of it at about $3.30, $3.40 if it gets that low. I might pick a big fat bag of that up because it'll easily recover back to the 5, 6 as soon as the market starts showing a bullish action. I don't see it going much lower than if it does hit the $3.45 area. I don't see it going much lower than that. So I'll definitely pick up a big bag of that. So those are the 3 that I'm going to be watching during the dip, looking for good entry points. It's going to be Tron, Substratum, and Icon. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial advice. Please do your own research and make your own decisions. But if you like my video, please throw me a thumbs up. If you're new, I guess we're all new. It's probably a relatively new channel. You can go ahead and hit the subscribe there, and I'll keep delivering my thoughts and opinions on everything crypto related. And leave any comments if you have any questions or if you have any input. And thanks a lot, and have a good one. Happy hunting on these discounts going on.